In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unhide or show like counts on your YouTube videos. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so if like counts on your YouTube videos is hidden, then let me show you how you can unhide this. To get started, go to your YouTube studio on your mobile app or on your app or using the web browser. And as you can see, I'm on my YouTube studio here. From here, head to settings and then choose the option called upload defaults. Under this, select the option called advanced settings and then scroll down until you get to the section called comments, and you can see comments is here. Now under this, go to the last section or the last box here, which states show how many viewers like this video. Go ahead and tap on it and then click on save to keep these changes. Now if you go ahead and upload your videos, the like counts should be visible, and now you can see all the like counts on your YouTube videos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.